Welcome to the first Bette Future Days. We are delighted to have you with us. Today is a special day for us when we raise the curtain, present real innovations and receive immediate feedback from you. Of course, we would have liked to do this presentation in person, as there is no substitute for face-to-face conversation and the ability for you to touch and experience the products. However, we will be using our new Future Days format to get as close to you as possible and to present our new products to you in detail. We would like to look at the future of the bathroom and show you which solutions we can offer for shaping the future. Since launching the first flush-to-floor shower area, the Bette Floor, in 2006, we have thought long and hard about what the next step, the next major development could be. Now, 15 years later, we are confident that we can set new standards in shower floor design and installation with BetteAir, the first shower tile made of glazed titanium steel. I hope you now enjoy the Bette Future Days presentation and conversations with us.
A warm welcome from Delbrück, Germany. Welcome to our innovation show, the Bette Future Days. My name is Ladislao Santamaria, and I'm responsible for the international business. Next to me, this is my colleague Nadine.
Hi, I'm Nadine Hagen, the head of the back office team here in Delbrück. We've brought along some real highlights today, in keeping with our theme, inspiring bathroom products of the future. We will show you how aesthetic and functional the design of the future is and how easy it is to install. Feel free to ask any questions during the show via the chat function. We will answer them at the end of the show. And now, let's start with design inspired by nature.
If you were to ask 10 people what would be important to you in a bath, 8 of them would certainly say that the bath should have flowing shapes, soft transitions, a modest harmonious form. That the very geometric simple shape should be translated into a modern language. That the bath should give you the feeling of sitting in a hollowed out soft stone. Basically, a BetteEve.
The voice that we just heard was our designer, Dominique Tessereau from Tessereau & Partner. Together with him, we have revised our product range in recent years. And the latest result is the BetteEve Bath Series. Here we see the silhouette version with an apron height of 575 mm and exterior size by 180 by 1 meter, with a depth of 45 cm. Here we see an elliptical inner body and a flowing design. It's really the first oval bathtub in our range. It has 2 symmetrical back slopes and a central drain that perfectly suits for bathing as a couple. The BetteEve is available in 3 variations, with the silhouette version, the oval and rectangular built-in version. The built-in versions have a very filigree rim of only 20mm rim height. They all have a wide elliptical inner body and a flowing and soft design. The rectangular version has very wide shelves where you can put shampoo, a glass of wine, or candles, whatever you like. For the built-in versions, you can choose from 400 different colors of our range. The silhouette version is also available in many colors, from glossy white to B-color and also effect colors. The BetteEve fits into every bathroom plan. Do you have something to add, Ladis?
Yes, Nadine. I have never seen such a beautiful combination of comfort and design. But that's not the only topic for today. In addition to comfort and design, safety also plays an important role inside the bathroom. Hold on tight, even if you don't have to, thanks to our new surface, BetteAnti-Slip Sense. Our new anti-slip surface is almost invisible, and the effect is only noticeable during use. BetteAnti-Slip Sense reacts to you and the water. For this purpose, we have treated the existing surface of the Bette glaze with a suspension. This suspension contains small ceramic particles that bond with our surface. And this magic effect I would like to show you now in a small experiment. So here you see a Bette floor side, inclined, treated half side with the Bette glaze, on the left side with our new magic BetteAnti-Slip Sense. I will now apply some water on it. So this is on the Bette glaze. I will put a glass on it. And you see it slips down. Let's go to the next side. This part is treated with a BetteAnti-Slip Sense. We do the same. Take the glass. And as you can see, this is magic. Another advantage is that we have reached for the first time evaluation group C according to the DIN norm. The typical positive benefits of the Bette glaze are retained. The surface is hygienic, easy to clean, scratch and impact resistant. Now let's take a look into the past, because we have something historic ahead of us. Shower trays have changed quite a lot during the past 50 years. As we can see, it has become flatter and flatter. One highlight was the introduction of the Bette floor in 2006, 15 years ago, the world's first shower area. You can't get flatter than flat, but we found a way to go one better. It's time for the world premiere. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the world's first shower tile. A pure design which offers a great freedom for creation. Only stands out if you wanted to, thanks to our 32 colors. Nadine, what are the details?
Thank you, Ladis. Yeah, after we set a new standard 15 years ago with the Bette floor shower area, it's now time for the next step. Here we see the drain. We enlarged it from 90 to 200 millimeter. Here's a very, very filigree gap between. The cover is a glazed steel cover in material thickness only. It sits flush to the tile, so you can't feel it while taking a shower. But the highlight is the very slim rim. This is the BetteAir with a minimum rim height of only 10 millimeter. It is flat like a tile with all benefits of a tile, but without any drawbacks of the tile. And now let's have a look at how the BetteAir is delivered. The BetteAir comes with a waist cover, a waist adapter, a minimum support for a very easy installation, and our Bette anti-noise set. And Ladis, how does the installation look like?
We have already seen the design is reduced to an extreme. The same applies to the fitting work. Safe, clean, installed in no time at all. Let's take a brief look at the individual installation steps. First, the installation box is positioned on the raw floor. Then, the screed is laid and the ceiling fleece is securely integrated into the bonded ceiling. Then we place the BetteAir on the floor and tile the rest of the bathroom. Last but not least, we siliconize and the new BetteAir is ready to use. Everything is reduced to a minimum. This saves time and money. Let's take a look at how the BetteAir highlights the bathroom design.
Let's take another look at the innovations. We saw today the BetteEve, our new bath collection with a design inspired by nature.
The revolutionary BetteAnti-Slip Sense surface that reacts to you and the water.
And the BetteAir, the world's first shower tile.
Before we get to the Q&A, a few tips on what else you can check out. For all those who want to learn more about the BetteAir, we offer an online seminar. It deals in particular with a revolutionarily simple installation. You are also welcome to make appointments for one-to-one consultations, where we can answer your questions personally. There is still a lot to see at the Bette Future Days. But now we are pleased to answer your questions.